Print from your macOS computer directly to an HP printer without a network using Wi-Fi Direct. In macOS, click the wireless icon and then select the network with Direct and your printer model in the name. If you are prompted for a wireless direct PIN or password, type the PIN or password you set up on the printer, or type the default of 12345678 and then click Join. Open the photo or document you want to print and then click File, Print, or press Command and P on your keyboard. Select your printer, adjust any desired settings, and then click Print. Your photo or document prints using Wi-Fi Direct. With the print job complete, reconnect to your wireless network.